This video is about sending communication messages to your leads. On the main menu, click on CRM, go to Lead Manager, and select the lead to whom you want to send a message. Toggle over to the Communication section. Here, you can compose an email message, WhatsApp message, or SMS message. Click on Compose, and you can either start from scratch or choose a template. The templates can be updated under the Template Center. Please refer to the Template Center notifications video to learn how to update your templates. Now click on Compose from scratch and proceed to enter the subject and content for your message. Enter the body of the message and click Send Email to send the email directly to your lead from the software. Similarly, you can send a WhatsApp message after integrating your WhatsApp business account with IntoAEC, and you can also send an SMS message directly from the software once you have integrated Twilio with IntoAEC. That's all for this video on how to send communication messages to your leads. Thank you for watching.